today, Jeffrey. Okay, so estimation and rounding and things like that. So let's start with rounding, okay? So what that would mean is if I had two numbers and I said 3 or 4, all right? And I said to you, let's say 3.2. Okay, so now the answer or the question would be, what number is 3.2 nearest to? Is it 3 or is it 4? Now for you to work this out, if any number is below 3.4 for instance, it's closer to 3. But as soon as it goes to 3.5, it's closer to 4. So anything above 5, 3.5 is closer to 4, anything below that would be closer to 3. So, to give you an example, what is 3.7? Is that closer to 4, Jeffrey, or 3?
4.
Very good. And then 3.1, is that closer to 3, or is it closer to 4?
3.
Very good. Now, one more time, if I gave you a number like 70, for example, is that closer to 100 or is it closer to 0? So the question would be, what number is what's the nearest hundredth of this number? And what would it be? Is it close to 100 or is it past 50?
Yeah.
Yeah. So is it closer to 100 then, or is it closer to 0?
100.
Absolutely amazing, you rock star. Give me a high five. Well done, mate. All right, thank you again for watching a great tutorial video today, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Bye.